mountain ranges of Himalaya and its glacier flourish some of the unique habitat and give rises to high altitudinal riverine system. Lohit River of northeast India is one of them. The forest and the river is the home of a very rare and secretive species of bird who passes majority of its time on the slow flowing channels of the river. A distinct long neck and legs and a contrasting white belly affirms it as a bird of heron family, a critically endangered species, the white-bellied heron. They are only found in Bhutan, Myanmar and India. The present estimated global population around 60 to 70 individuals only. Hope this bird will come back with successful breeding and new generation, which will strengthen its population, and they will return from the verge of extinction.